Video number 10. Track your success. Email marketing is a broad niche that can at times seem complicated to newbie business managers. There is no single procedure on how to do email marketing well. Even though several aspects are involved, your campaign will be considered successful once you can track your success. Your email campaigns could be optimized, but without measurable results, it is as good as useless. To track your success, it is necessary that you label your email campaigns with tags that are capable of tracking performance. Campaign tags include extra information that is attached to the links you include in your emails. Whenever the subscriber clicks these links, information is passed and recorded by monitoring software. Tag links allow business managers to monitor the performance of each link sent in a campaign email. Without setting up campaign tags, you can't know the exact performance of the emails that you send to your subscribers. Real-time tracking. The success of your email campaign is best explained by understanding what happens each time you send your email campaigns. Get to know and understand the behavior of your subscribers and whomever else receives your email campaigns. Real-time tracking software will help you compare the responses received from your email marketing campaigns. Through the responses, you can record what your subscribers like and dislike about your email campaigns. Tracking the activity of subscribers. The success of your email campaigns depends on the number of opened, unopened, clicked, forwarded, or marked as spam emails. Always pay attention to the subscribers that mark your emails as spam, since they are likely to be disinterested in your future email marketing campaigns. Try finding out why they don't want to receive your emails and change what is needed to avoid more spam statistics. Tracking email links. Determining the number of links that received a high number of clicks is also effective in tracking the success of your campaign. You can be more intrinsic and check out which subscribers clicked on each of your links. Check for bounced and automatic replies. Avoid dealing with bounced emails at all costs. Determine the number of emails that bounced and figure out the individual email addresses. Remove the hard bounced email addresses immediately when you notice them. Nonetheless, allow a retry for soft bounces. Analyze your email lists. The responses you receive from one campaign can vary immensely depending on your list. Analyze these responses based on their primary lists. Tracking tools. Popular tools used to track the success of email campaigns include Google Analytics, Campaign Monitor, Vertical Response, Aweber, and MailChimp. When using Google Analytics to track your emails, you will be required to provide campaign information such as name, source, medium, content, and term. The content of your campaign is an optional inclusion. You could use it or not. However, business managers should avoid using a campaign term since it is best for tracking specific keywords rather than emails. Campaign Monitor, MailChimp, Vertical Response, and Aweber are good options if you have no time to create manual campaigns using Google Analytics. Common terminologies you will encounter while tracking the success of your email campaigns include open rate, measure of how many people on your email list open a certain email campaign. Click-through rate, CTR, number of unique visitors who click on your emails or links. Earnings per click, EPC, suitable for affiliate marketers.